Auto Parts, Keith and Robin Brady, sponsor 443. Your fastest qualifier, the 19 is Scotland down. Flag is in the air. Eddie McLean, all kinds of out of shape off of turn number 2. Barney Gerber on the inside, going to hang on to that race. Going to have it at the line. Your winner 1 week ago, Eddie McLean in the 443. He's going to clear Gerber into turn number 3. Gerber going to pack it in now. A little bit of contact between Gerber and McLean. Barney Gerber, Liddell, your fastest qualifier, into the 2 of Gerber. And caution on the speed. Snap-on tools by Doug, full mini truck heat race, getting ready to come back to Chief Starter. Gerber with a good run in the high lane. Oh, and Eddie McLean gets into him off of turn number 2, and wow, did Scotland Dell just miss that one. Bill Scott on the front row. And green flag over turn number 4. Bill Scott a little loose off of turn number 2, still hanging on to that second spot. Here comes Lindell. White flag for Barney Gerber. Bill Scott picked up some speed from qualifying, running in that second spot. Lindell trying to get to his inside. Barney Gerber with a win. Scott going to take home second.